We will learn about maximum and minimum. Maximum or minimum. So maximum number or minimum number. So I want to find out the maximum value out of these four subjects. First of all, I have this data here: name, registration number. Now these are subjects: math, science, English, computer. Obtained marks, maximum and minimum. I want to find out the maximum marks out of these four subjects, or I am also find out the minimum marks out of the four subjects. What is now we will use maximum and minimum function. What is maximum function? Maximum function represents the largest, or maximum function represents the highest value from the range of cells. Now I want a minimum function represent the lowest value from the range of cells. So maximum function represent the highest value from the range of cells, and minimum function represents the lower value from the range of cells. Now I want to find out the maximum marks out of these four subjects, and I also find out the minimum marks out of the four subjects. Now in order to find the maximum marks, first of all put is equal to sign, then type max. Max means maximum. Select this range of cells, bracket close and hit enter. Now the maximum marks of these four subjects, or the maximum marks of Albert, is 91. Albert got 91 marks in science subjects. Now let's find out the minimum marks of Albert. First of all, enter is equal to sign, then type minimum. Select this range of cell, bracket close, because I want to find out the minimum marks from these four subjects: math, science, English, computer. So that's why I selected these four subjects. So bracket close, hit enter. The answer is 78. So the 78 marks are the lowest marks out of these four subjects. Albert got 78 marks in maths, and Albert got 91 marks in science. The maximum number out of these subjects are 91, and the minimum marks out of these four subjects are 78. Now let's find out the maximum marks of George. So George got 80 marks in math, 68 in science, 71 in English, and 63 in computer. So let's find out the maximum marks of George out of these four subjects. Type max, then select this range of cell, bracket close and hit enter. The answer is 80. The answer is 80. The maximum value out of these four subjects, or the maximum marks out of these four subjects, are 80. 80 is the maximum value out of these four subjects. Now let's find out the minimum value. Type min, select this range of cell, bracket close and hit enter. The minimum value out of these four subjects are 63. Sorry, 63, yes. The minimum marks or minimum value out of these four subjects are 63. Now let's find out the maximum marks of John out of these four subjects. Type is equal to sign, then type max. Represent this range of cell, bracket close and hit enter. The answer is 93. 93 is the maximum number out of these four subjects, or 93 is the maximum marks out of these four subjects. Now let's find out the minimum marks obtained by John. Type min, Select this range of cell, bracket close and hit enter. Now 56 is the minimum value out of these 4 subjects. 56 is the minimum value, or 56 is the minimum marks out of these 4 subjects. Let's find out the maximum value or maximum marks of Mohsin out of these 4 subjects. First of all, type is equal to sign, then type max. Select this range of cell, bracket close and hit enter. The answer is 87. 87 is the maximum value out of these 4 subjects, or 87 is the maximum marks out of these 4 subjects. Now let's find out the minimum value. Type is equal to sign, then type min, bracket open. Now select this range of cells or data set, bracket close and hit enter. 56. 56 is the minimum value out of these 4 subjects, or 56 is the minimum marks out of these 4 subjects. So by using maximum function, we can find the maximum value. By using the minimum function, we can find the minimum value. So in order to save time, just select this cell and drag it down. So all remaining fields will be filled automatically. So select this cell, just drag it down. All remaining fields will be filled automatically. So 50 is the minimum marks out of these 4 subjects, while 88 is the maximum marks out of these 4 subjects. 89 is the maximum marks out of these 4 subjects. 55 is the minimum marks out of these 4 subjects. 50 is the minimum marks or minimum value out of these 4 subjects. 88 is the minimum value or minimum marks out of these 4 subjects. Or 88 is the maximum marks out of these 4 subjects. And 67 is the minimum value or minimum marks out of these 4 subjects. So by using maximum and minimum function, we can easily find out the maximum value and minimum value from the range of cells or data set. Thanks for watching.